Yes, this is my first video channel. I like my channel. Nothing I want to be a crazy YouTuber or crazy. Now let's give it to the new up. This is the first opening hour opening up. As you can see, 9:15, 9:30 new open. My assumption from this market was go like this. Why? Because there are many channels. This, this, these parallelographs are work like a magnet. And I one tries to tap on this 15-minute FBG, then came back lower. And also for this Dow Jones, YM, whatever you can say. Now you can say the 4 hour time frame is not sweeping on this Dow, not sweeping. If this was sorry, oops, if this was this candle week on like this, it may improve the chances to go lower for this movement as I predicted. I was a bit confused. If this happen, then I'm quite I will take the trade. But there is a chance if this parallel wave got rejected, then we can target this equals high, this equals high, this equals this. And now the opening. Let's get back to the lower time frame. Low, on lower time frame, there is two SMT. One is this, one is this. This is SMT, or you can say the failure swings, because still I am quite bearish on these pairs. But problem is this candle, this or this candle. After print 3 minute candle, then this SMT has formed at that moment of time. And now, if I consider if price go lower, then this is the only time that price can get lower. Like this is the time when price go lower. And also for this pair, reject the fair value gap and go lower. But now the next candle. Next candle from rejection to go lower. And if you close look on the SMT, this SMT tells us what after this candle go lower. But it's reject to go lower. This SMT was bullish, but it's from bearish candle. This is called decoupling of the market. After that, this weaker pair catching up this high, this, and this stronger pair going lower. If this stronger pair want to catch up in Q, then what will what the point for me catch up this pair? This is the point. This is the point. Now this C2 candle is a trigger for this catch up because NQ already push up going towards previous day high, and the Dow Jones, or you can say YM, this is the start of the move, or YM, you can say. And if I show you the execution, but I did not, I listen here, and TP, this is quite tricky, TP, because if you closely, our main objective is this previous day high. We want stronger pair tap on the previous day high, and then it will reverse, chops, anything it can do. Let's do. Yes, this is called when market, the weaker pair, doing this type of candle, this type of candle, and stronger pair is chopping. That's mean this weaker pair try to catch the stronger pair, and when stronger pair touch the previous day high, we will take profit. That one, close the trade. This trade is near about 6 or 5 hours, and now price will be chopped, anything. See, there is no point. There is no point here that price will reverse from there. But if you close look, this pair, this instrument, it's touch the previous day high, and then it's chopping, and then this price is reversing. Why this is reversing? Because stronger pair touch the previous day high, and you should take profit when the stronger pair catch up the previous day high, touch the previous day. Thank you very much.